The Air Jordan 1 Mid-Metallic Blue is a modern twist on the classic silhouette, blending nostalgia and fresh design. Its standout feature is the reflective cobalt upper, which delivers a bold, eye-catching presence. This is balanced by an off-white midsole that softens the metallic tones for a cleaner overall finish. Adding depth, the shoe features a faux-quilted collar with stitched cross patterns, evoking a premium AMM-inspired style, while marled laces echo the collar's detailing for a cohesive touch. Drawing subtle influence from the 2010's Anodized series, the sneaker ties past inspirations to current trends. The combination of reflective elements, textured details, and thoughtful balancing makes it an anticipated release for collectors and casual wearers alike. Slated for fall or winter 2025, the sneaker's official MSRP has not yet been announced, fueling curiosity and excitement within the sneaker community for its arrival.